Let's dive into the top 5 DVB satellite receivers for 2025. First up is the Dreambox DM920 UHD. Known for its powerful processing capabilities and sleek design, it supports multiple tuners, making it perfect for those who want flexibility in channel selection. Next, we have the View Plus Duo 4K, which stands out with its dual tuner setup and impressive user interface. It's ideal for streaming and recording simultaneously, ensuring you never miss your favorite shows. Coming in third is the Zgema H9S, a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, offering excellent 4K picture clarity and a user-friendly setup. Fourth on the list is the Formula Z8 Pro. This receiver is a powerhouse for IPTV enthusiasts, featuring advanced streaming capabilities and a robust app ecosystem. Finally, the Octagon SF8008 rounds out our top 5. With its versatile features and support for various streaming services, it's a solid choice for any tech-savvy user looking to elevate their viewing experience. These receivers not only deliver stunning visuals, but also provide a seamless user experience, making them perfect for any home setup.